Hello, future real estate investor, ready to change your life. Real estate isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone willing to learn and take action. Think of it as planting a tree. Start small, nurture it, and watch it grow into lasting wealth. Unlike stocks, real estate is tangible. You can see it, touch it, and even live in it. You earn money in multiple ways: monthly rent, property appreciation, and tax benefits. At its core, real estate investing means buying property as a business to generate profit. Buy a house, rent it out, pay the bills, and keep the leftover cash. This is called cash flow. Over time, your property value rises and your loan shrinks, building wealth while you sleep. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience and effort, but the rewards are real. I've seen people transform their lives, travel, and spend more time with family, all thanks to real estate. This isn't a distant dream, it's possible for you. The journey starts with learning. Let's take that first step together. Excited to start? First, figure out your why. What's your motivation? Freedom, family, travel. Write it down. This will keep you going when things get tough. Next, educate yourself. Listen to podcasts, read books, watch videos, and join forums. Spend 30 minutes daily learning the basics before you buy anything. Get your finances in order. Know your credit score, track your expenses, and create a budget. Improve your credit by paying bills on time and reducing debt. Start saving for a down payment by cutting unnecessary expenses. Begin building your team. Find a real estate agent, lender, and inspector. Attend local meetups and connect with other investors. Ask for recommendations and start conversations with professionals. Tell them you're new and eager to learn. Many will help. Remember, your network is your net worth. Lay a strong foundation now for future success. Now, let's find your first great deal. It's like a treasure hunt. Focus on one neighborhood and learn it inside out. Drive around, spot for sale signs, and notice which areas are thriving. Learn to analyze deals using the 1% rule. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. For example, a $150,000 house should rent for at least $1,500 a month. This is just a filter. Always do a deeper analysis. Estimate all expenses: mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs, vacancies, and management fees. Subtract expenses from rent to find your cash flow. Aim for positive cash flow. Search the MLS with a good agent, but also look for off-market deals by networking and direct outreach. You may analyze 100 properties to find one winner. Stay persistent. The right deal can change your life. Master this skill and you're on your way. Worried about the down payment? You're not alone. Try house hacking. Buy a small multifamily, live in one unit, rent the others, and let tenants cover your mortgage. Use low down payment loans like FHA, just 3.5% down. After a year, move out, rent your unit, and repeat. Or, partner with someone who has cash while you handle the work and deal finding. Always have a clear agreement in writing. Save aggressively, cut expenses, pick up a side hustle, and watch your savings grow. The first down payment is the hardest, but it gets easier. Once you see cash flow, you'll be motivated to keep going. Start small, be creative, and build momentum. Let's talk about common mistakes and how to avoid them. Don't get emotional about a property. Trust your numbers, not your feelings. Overestimating rent or underestimating expenses can sink your investment. Always have cash reserves, 3 to 6 months of expenses per property. Emergencies happen. Be prepared so you don't go into debt. Don't try to do everything yourself. Build a team and delegate. A good property manager is worth the cost and saves you headaches. Focus on high-value tasks, like finding deals, not fixing toilets. Most importantly, take action. Your first deal won't be perfect, but you'll learn more by doing. Don't let fear stop you. Start small, keep learning, and grow. Real estate can transform your financial future. The journey begins with a single step. Now, go make it happen.